Hello, in this video I want to show you how to clean an empty Philips coffee machine. To do this, first we'll need to remove the bottom plate by pulling it towards us. Inside you can find the hatch for already used grinded coffee, and simply remove it. You can also wash it in your sink. Then right here you can find the plate, and inside there's probably some water, and you will need to also clean it. And you can try to remove the plate right here by simply pulling it upwards, but first I need to remove those stickers that basically hold that. Okay, so the sticker is removed, and you can pull on this thing to open it up and clean it even further. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.